Hello, everybody on YouTube. It's me, Craig, again. Right. Today I'm going to do a review on GrooveFunnels and what's inside GrooveFunnels. Right. I like GrooveFunnels because it's free to join and you don't need a credit card, which is fantastic. So you get 3 free websites or web funnels free for life, no credit card needed, and you can get them hosted onto the internet for free. And you also get Groove Sale, Groove Affiliate, so you can promote Groove pages and you earn a commission. As a free member, you get 20% of the sale. As a premium member like I am, you get 40% of the sale. So at the moment, Groove Premium or Platinum is a $1,397 one-time payment, and that's all you have to pay. You get rid of having to pay for 21 other softwares that go together, like ClickFunnels, Aweber, Webinar Jam, Calendly. It's all inside Groove. All of it's inside Groove. You get, with the free, you get Groove Mail. Groove Mail is an email autoresponder. It's very, very good. You can do campaigns and forms, and you can do a broadcast, send out one email to many, many people in one time. You can get analytics on your emails, how your emails are doing, different things like that. The best thing about Groove pages, obviously, you've got Groove Member, Groove Video, Groove Cart. What is Groove Cart? Groove Cart is just like Shopify, but if you're a Platinum member, you get unlimited Shopify stores. Never have to pay a monthly subscription again. And now that's back of the net. That's wicked. Right, Groove pages. Let's have a little look inside how easy it is. Let's just go to a new site, make something up new, and that's many, many templates. So let's look how easy it is to change around a template. Let's do one with a man's face on it. Here we go. Let's select that. So we're going to call this test 1 or test 2. I done a test yesterday. Now it's going to generate. It should populate this page. Right, there it is. It says it's loading up. Once it's loaded up, it's very, very simple once you're inside. So let's have a look. Here it comes. Ta-da! Here it is. Not yet. Here it is. Here it is. Right. So if you wanted to change a name, you click on something like that there. And I would change, obviously my name isn't Tom Beale. So I would change his name to my name, Craig Byrne. That's that bit done. So you can change all the text within the page. You can change everything. You can change the images. Let's just change an image. Let me change him. You go up here, over to configure. Oh, let's click on the image. Make sure the image is. That's a whole double image. Okay, let's go to this image here. Let's go to configure. No, it's a container. I want the image. Give me the image. Not that's a whole image. That whole top part. I think configure. No, can't go to the image. Why not? That's a pain. Maybe that image I can. Okay, yes. Choose an image. They have free stock photographs up here. You type in a word, I don't know, marketing. And it'll come up with loads of marketing images that you can use. Or I'll use my files. I'll find a picture of me somewhere, maybe, amongst all my photographs. Yep, there I am. Let me click that one. Yep, select, update. And then over there will be an image of me. There I am. So you go through, you can change all the images, change all the writings. Let's go to here. We can change all of this to whatever you want it to be. Boom. And when you remember to change the links at the bottom, so you can change anything within this website. It's very, very easy with the templates. And then let's see how quick this is. Right. So we want to publish this. We can host it on Groove for free. Remember, 3 free websites, free funnels for free. You can host it with them. We choose a name for it. We just call it test 2, so I don't get confused when I have to delete it yesterday. And I publish it. Now this gets published online straight away. You don't have to wait. That's it. That's your website. That's your funnel. Down there, content save. Usually takes a few minutes. Sometimes it's a little bit quicker. Let's open link in a new tab. See if it's uploaded already. And candidate template, luxury groove. I think it's going to load. Yes. Look, my name's changed. This is my website. Where's my image I changed? There's my image. That's all loaded up within minutes. I did that. Absolute minutes. Now let's go back to pages. I don't obviously want this page to be online, and because I've not completed it 100%, it would be very stupid of me to do that. So I'll go down to my new site, test 2 there, and I delete it. Just like that. Boom, and there's another test I'd done yesterday. I delete that one. So it's very, very easy to make web pages up, to sell things, to become an affiliate. If you become an affiliate, you click on Groove Affiliate Program and you'll scroll down. When you scroll down, you'll get your links to promote GrooveFunnels or Groove pages. When this loads up, don't let me down. There's a couple of videos you can watch there, but you just scroll down to your promotional tools. There's your links. Copy that link there. That's copied, and I'll open it up, and that's your promotional affiliate link. I'll post it into another tab, and this is what will happen when people click on your link. They go to this page here, and they will go to, oh, this is fantastic, let's get started. And your affiliate name will be at the bottom, where mine is there, where it says Craig, Alan, Kenneth, Byrne. They get free access, and if they ever upgrade to a platinum like I am, you'll get a nice commission. If you're a free member, you'll get 20% of what they pay. If you're a platinum member like myself, you'll get 40%. Groove is my favorite all-in-one marketing software. It is everything and more. Everything and more. What you can do with Groove now is only in beta. The price of $1,397 will only be available, I think, until about April, May next year. Then it will be for the silver package, $99 a month. Then gold will be $199, and platinum $299 a month every month. So to pay $1,397 now, you can play it in 3 installments of $497 or 6 installments of $288 a month, or 12 installments of $188 a month. But once you finish paying for it, you've got this all-in-one digital marketing software for life. If you think about it, if you've got ClickFunnels, you've got Aweber, you've got EverWebinar, you need something to connect it all. They're not all in the same family, so you need to buy Zapier or Zapier to connect all these things together. But with inside Groove, everything's connected as a family. It's all, they all work together. It's absolutely amazing. I really recommend it because it's free and you don't need a credit card. You can't beat that. So let's stop sharing my screen. Let's say hello to me. I'm Craig Byrne. I hope you enjoyed that quick review of GrooveFunnels. Take care, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Way.